Hey guys, welcome back to Rj Talkies. We are back again with another exciting video. In this video, we are going to unbox SVS SB-1000 Pro powered subwoofer. So let's just start unboxing it without wasting any time and watch the complete video as we are going to test the subwoofer later in this video. SB-1000 Pro is equipped with 12-inch driver to deliver powerful and precise bass. It is powered by an efficient sledge STA325 Class D amplifier that can provide up to 325 watts of RMS continuous power to the subwoofer. The subwoofer features a compact cabinet design so it can be fit into various room setups and deliver clean bass without distortion. SB-1000 Pro offers frequency response range of typically 20 Hz to 270 Hz, ensuring deep and accurate bass reproduction. SVS SB-1000 Pro has some advanced control features. It includes advanced control features like DSP, which stands for Digital Signal Processor, and Smartphone app for convenient tuning, control, and custom presets. Now let's take a look at the back of the subwoofer. From here you can adjust volume and phase of your subwoofer. It offers various connectivity options including RCA inputs and outputs, speaker level inputs, and a trigger input for easier integration for your audio system. Okay, now we are going to test the subwoofer.